Hello friends, today's topic is general characteristics and classification of Phylum Cnidaria. Introduction. Phylum Cnidaria or coelenterate includes diverse animals like jellyfish, sea anemones, corals, and the more familiar Hydra. They are diploblastic eumetazoans with tissue grade of organization. The Cnidarians are characterized by the presence of Cnidocytes, polyp and medusa forms. Then general characteristics of phylum Cnidaria. So these are mostly marine and few like Hydra live in fresh water. Many are colonial, example corals, some are solitary. For example, sea anemone. They are diploblastic and show tissue grade of organization. The body is radially symmetric, but sea anemones show biradical symmetry. Polyp and medusa are two different forms of Cnidarians. Polyp is hybrid form which is sessile with mouth up orientation. Medusa is umbrella or bell shaped with mouth down orientation. It swims by constricting the bell. The body wall is composed of an outer epithelium called epidermis, an inner epithelium called gastrodermis or gelatinous mesoglia between the outer and inner epidermis. Mesoglia consists of amoeboid cells derived from ectoderm. Mesoglia is thin in polyps. It is thick in medusa, in which it is important for buoyancy. The body wall contains stinging cells called Cnidocytes. Hence, the name is Cnidaria. Each cnidocyte cell contains a fluid-filled membranous capsule called cnida. Cnidocytes help in defense and capture of prey. The blind sac-like central cavity is called coelenterons or gastrovascular cavity, hence the name coelenterata. It opens out by mouth surrounded by tentacles. Mouth serves by injections as well as for ejection. In medusa form, the coelenterons is specialized into stomach, radial canals and ring canal. Coelenterons help in digestion and circulation. Digestion is first extracellular in the coelenterons and then intracellular in the nutritive muscular cells of gastrodermis. Exchange of respiratory gases and elimination of the secretory wastage occurs by diffusion through the body wall. Neurons are interconnected to form a pair of nerve sets. One is epidermis and the other one is gastrodermis. The two nerve sets are joined by neurons that cross the mesoglia. Nerve impulse conduction is diffuse conduction. Nerve impulse can travel in any direction. Besides nerve nets, medusa have nerve rings and ganglia around the margin of the bell. Sensory structures like statocysts occur in medusoid form. Asexual reproduction takes place by bonding, fission and fragmentation. Cnidarians are generally unisexual but some are bisexual. Fertilization is external. Cleavage is holoblastic. Development is indirect and includes a free-swimming ciliated larval stage called planula. In species having polyp and medusa phases, the alternation of asexually reproducing polyp form and sexually reproducing medusa form is called metagenesis. Cnidarians have remarkable power of regeneration. Classification of phylum Cnidaria. Phylum Coelenterata and Cnidaria includes about 10,000 known species. It is classified into three classes, namely Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa and Anthozoa. The following are the general characteristics of each of them. Class 1 Hydrozoa. Hydros means water, zoans means animal. These are mostly marine animals but some may also live in fresh water. They are chiefly colonial. Some forms may also appear solitary. Medusa stage is absent in few animals. Sometimes both polyp and medusa stages. Medusa stage is absent in few animals. Sometimes both polyp and medusa stages are present in Few animals of this class. Medusa is crustopod, presence of velum. Coelenteron of the polyps of this class is undivided. Mesoglea is acellular. Cnidocytes are restricted to the epidermis. Gonads also occur in the epidermal region. Their colonies are polymorphic with different types of zoids like gastrozoids, feeding type, dactylozoids, defensive type, gonozoids, that is reproductive type. Then class 2, Scyphozoa. Scyphos means cop and zoon means animal. All the animals belonging to this class are marine in nature. Medusa stage is predominant in this class. Medusa stage is predominant in this class. Medusa is acraspedot, no velum. Mouth is surrounded by 4 oral arms. Mesoglea is cellular and contains amoebocytes. Cnidocytes occur in the epidermis and also in the gastrodermis region. Gonads occur in the gastrodermal regions. Polyps are solitary, may also exist in colonies. Polyp stage is Scyphostoma. Body is divided by septa. The Scyphistoma produces juvenile medusa called as ephiri by the process of storvilation. Finally, this ephira grows into sexual adult medusa. This class includes jellyfish. Then the last class, class 3, Anthozoa. Anthos means flower and zoon means animal. All the animals of this class are marine. They may be solitary or may be colonial. All are sedentary polyploid forms. The medusa stage is absent. Mouth is oval and is surrounded by a wall of tentacles resembling a flower-like structure, hence the name of the class. The mouth leads into tubular pharynx called stomodium that in turn opens into coelenteron. Coelenteron is divided into radial compartments by vertical septa called mesenteries. Cnidocytes occur in epidermal as well as gastrodermal region. Gonads occur in gastrodermis. So that's all about your phylum Cnidaria, classifications and general characteristics.